Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will do the full review of LIU HJG hp111 fog lamp. First, let me show you the full unboxing, and later on, I will mount it on my bike and show you the real performance of the fog lamp. I ordered this product from Lumitriel store. It cost me around 8,500 rupees. I also ordered along with the clamp, which cost me 300 rupees extra, so it cost me around 8,800 rupees, which is comparatively cheaper than the price shown on the HJG official website. So this is how the box looks, and this light is of 140 watt, which is of 70 watt each for each lamp. Now let me show you what's inside the box. There the connection details are given. This is the brand logo, the warranty card, now this is the fog lamp. This is how it looks. And the material of this fog lamp is solid. It's sturdy. Here are the screws and the Allen keys. This is the clamp which I ordered extra. This one will fit to the crash guard. I'll show you. It comes along with all the screws and Allen keys. Now let's remove the fog lights. Here is the 5-pin coupler, 7 LED lamp, which include projector and spread lights. You can see. This is the back view. Let me show you the wiring harness. It comes with fully loaded coupler to coupler connection ready system. It is very easy and convenient for installation. Here, this harness is quite different from the rest. Here you will get a special button where you can tune your light intensity up and down. And then you can press this button to change the light modes. That's it for the unboxing. Now I'll show you the real performance of the lights. Ignition on. The lights are fitted, and as you can see, it is very dark in front. Let's turn the engine on and test the lights. This is the stock headlamp low beam. I'll show you the difference. Let's turn on the fog lamp low beam. You can see the difference. Fog lamp low beam on. Fog lamp high beam on. Very bright. Fog lamp yellow lamp on. And the fourth mode, you will get yellow light plus the high beam white light. This is the low beam again. And this is the stock headlamp. This is the low beam again. High beam. Yellow beam. And the fourth mode. Yellow plus the white high beam. So that's it. You can see the stock headlamp is useless. This is the front view. Wow, it looks very nice. Just a DRL, it looks very attractive. I'm impressed with this fog light. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps.